Okay. What cannot be stored in a cookie and why?
Uh, yes, there are several types of data that cannot be stored in a cookie. For example, sensitive personal information uh, like password, financial information, health records, and but there are certain limits also on the using cookie. Like cookie have a size limit of 4 KB, so we cannot use as a storage large amounts of data. So we have the other system like databases are storage mechanism for that. And also in other limit is like cookie is a text based data, so they we cannot use to store binary data such as image or files. So yes, these type of which I uh, remember now.